In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an IP address in Cloudflare, a process that will take you just about 5 minutes to complete. Whitelisting an IP address is a crucial step if you want to ensure that trusted users and networks have uninterrupted access to your website, even when other visitors might be subjected to different security settings. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through each step of the way. First things first, you'll need to visit the Cloudflare website. Once you're there, locate the login page and enter your credentials to log in. If you have your account linked to Google, you can opt for an easier route by clicking on the option to continue with Google. This allows you to bypass the manual entry of your login details. Once you select the Continue with Google button, you'll be asked to pick your Google account associated with Cloudflare. This streamlined process is designed to save you time and effort while still keeping your account secure. After logging in, you'll find yourself directed to the Cloudflare dashboard. This is your control center where you'll manage your security settings among other things. From here, you're going to want to head over to your website's specific settings. Look out for the settings option in your dashboard navigation. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed section dealing with your website's current configuration. Now, once you're into the settings, find and click on the WAF option, which stands for Web Application Firewall. This powerful tool helps you protect your website against several types of attacks. In the WAF section, you will find various tools at your disposal. For the task at hand, you'll want to zero in on the option labeled Tools. With the Tools section open, you should see several functionalities. Look for the one marked Highlight. Engage with the Highlight function next. From there, you will need to maneuver to where it says Block. Though it might sound counterintuitive right away, following this sequence is pivotal before you can properly whitelist an address. Once you've clicked Block, you'll subsequently be presented with an option labeled Allow. This is a key step where you start defining which IP addresses should be permitted through your network's defenses. By clicking Allow, you're effectively overriding the block for specific trusted IP addresses. Finally, all that's left to do is to click on Add. Here you'll enter the IP address you wish to whitelist. Once added, Cloudflare will recognize this IP as a trusted source and grant it access accordingly. Double check to ensure everything's correctly set and you're good to go. And there you have it, you've successfully whitelisted an IP in Cloudflare, adding an essential layer of control and transparency to your network security settings. Following these precise steps ensures that while your website remains protected, your trusted partners and users won't be subjected to unnecessary access limitations. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.